This packing machine is a new type of automatic, pre-made bag packing machine. It is used for metered packaging of various kinds of cookies, nuts, pet food and other granules. This set of equipment consists of 8 stations main machine, C-type conveyor, multi-head weight and weigher platform, forming a full automatic die pack packaging production line, which can automatically complete the functions of bag handing, weighing, discharging, sealing, counting, marking and so on. The whole machine is made of food-grade stainless steel, which meets the standards, durable and easy to clean. The machine is controlled by intelligent electronic touch screen, easy to operate, equipped with high-precision sensors, accurate measuring. This set of equipment has high operating efficiency, low labor intensity, simple and convenient operation, and can be used in food, chemical, feed and other industries. If you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact me.